Okay folks, so this is my running and walking setup. Notice I have my big piece of paper here. I labeled it walking. And then I have two scratch pieces of paper on either side. That way as I'm moving, if I start dribbling just a bit early, it'll catch it. And if I dribble just a bit late, it'll catch it. So here we go. We're gonna go slowly. So as you can see, that was a slow, and now we'll try the running. So here's my running, and you can see that I still have my scratch papers over here. And I actually only managed to get about one on there, but you can see it has directionality, which is what I'm looking for. So that's the general idea. If you need more of these long pieces of paper, you can obviously tape a couple of them together if that works better for you. This is our lab for Blood Spatter, and as you can see, I'm doing it by myself, so I don't have a partner to hold any of my stuff, so I've actually taped it down. So you can see you've got your blood, and notice that you're gonna have to have it pretty high. It's gotta be 12 inches up, okay? So on my sheet, I have it marked that this is gonna be 90 degrees. And I say, okay, great, 90 degrees is gonna be right about there. It's gonna be straight, flat. Hold it at 12. Gotta get the lid off, there we go. Hold it at 12 inches up. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And so the next one we're going to do is gonna be at 75. Okay, so this one is at 75. I've got my paper labeled at 75, and notice I'm going to lift my clipboard so that it matches my 75-degree angle. And again, from 12 inches up or so. 1, 2, 3. And I accidentally got a bonus one there, but you can see, and keep in mind that once you get it on there, you need to let it dry. So you take it off, set it off to the side. So you're gonna do that for 90, 75, 45, and then 30. And again, it's gonna be much easier to do if you have a partner holding on to your template when you line it up to put your blood drops on. Okay, so in this case, we're talking about medium velocity spatter. And so as you can see, I'm gonna set my camera down a little bit here so you can see better what I did. I'm not gonna redo it because I don't wanna clean up the mess. But basically, you've got a sponge here or a rag of some kind, and you've soaked it with blood. And then you have your paper, which I'm gonna move that one, and we'll put this one in. You should label it medium velocity spatter. You're gonna lay it right in front, and then, there you go. And notice my sponge is kind of coming apart, but you get your medium velocity spatter right there, and now I get to clean blood spatter off my phone. So that's kind of what you're looking at, is you're looking at the directionality here. You want to be able to see that. This is leftover from the other one that I did as my example, but you get the general idea of what we're doing here for medium velocity spatter.